Today we are going to see how to insert a new coordinate system, a new coordinate point in any geometry. This is our origin point. All the drawings and parts we are making through the origin point, but in some cases we need another point as a origin. So we will see how to insert a new origin point. First we will sketch and make one geometry. Okay, now assign dimension 200, 200. Now extrude it up to 10 mm. Okay, now in this body, see this center point as a origin point. Now suppose we want any other point as a origin point, so how we will insert this origin point? So just go to reference geometry, drop down the menu, choose coordinate system. Now see, this is our main coordinate, main point. Now here there are two. Select origin, select this point. Now see, this is as the origin. Now you have to define the x-axis and y-axis. So select your x-axis, this one, and y-axis choose this one, but y-axis going down, so it going opposite direction, it should be this direction, opposite direction. So select opposite, reverse. Now see, x and y-axis. So now we set a new origin point or new coordinate system. Select OK. So see, this is our new origin point. Before our origin point was this, coordinate point was this, now this. So this is called coordinate system. How we will insert a coordinate system in a 3D part. I hope you like it.